welcome to Fangsie's Horror Archive, the series where I, your host Fangsie Fido, watch, play, and react to stuff, and usually creepy media. Disclaimer, this video was originally streamed via live stream, so you will definitely see me talking to my chat. If you want to be a part of the next live stream, or maybe even see yourself in a video, I usually go live at least 3 times a week at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. Yep, that's the intro I'm going with. Did anyone ever tell me who's Kuso? You're like Kuso or something Kuso. What is Kuso? What the fuck is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. New game. Fellas were in Paris. If you really ought to know. Fellas.
Excellent. You made the right move. Just a couple more things and you'll pull your family out of poverty.
I really hope so.
Attach this to your chest. Our scientists require us to do this to see everything that happens in the enclosures.
Scientists? I thought this was a zoo.
Yeah.
True. Never thought that the smart Alex belong right in the zoo? Hope you got the joke. Excellent. Now let's get started. First, grab your personal PDA. It's necessary for interacting with all the work objects. Congratulations, you've taken the first step to becoming a part of our close-knit zoo family.
Wait, what's this for?
Bro's just gonna shoot us with something?
Find out later.
What the flick, man? Welcome to Variance Project. Get injected. Yeah, that's what they did with all their talent. Every Variance Project girl
finally awake?
injected with a mystery fluid. Like, that sounds really bad.
Working with animals requires prevention. You wouldn't want to bring some kind of infection home, would you? By the way, I took your phone as well. I'll return it in the morning after the shift.
So I got the job? I thought we had an interview. My wife is waiting for me outside.
The job will be yours if you make it through the night. Let's go. I still have a lot to show you. Yeah, I remember hearing that it flopped, but I still want to play it. Okay, I can't touch anything! This guy just does not trust me.
It's quite spacious here.
Hi, fella.
Yep, this is our hub. You'll have plenty of everything here, except time. Now we're in the cold room. Here we store herbs, vegetables, and fish while the meat gets ground into portions for the animal rations. And right now we're running low on herbs and vegetables. Got the hint? Get to it. You can find the instructions in your PDA.
Oh. Okay. He has like dead eyes. Look at his eyes. Look at how creepy. Ew. Ew. Why are you twitching? I'm a hater, guys. Giraffe.
Fasten your seatbelts and sit up straight. Let's go.
I freaking hate you. You weirdo. You freaking guy.
So we're at the giraffe station. Now listen carefully. I won't repeat it twice. This is our mobile veterinary station. Here you'll be mixing medications for our animals.
Are they sick?
You thought I was just telling scary stories about infections to freak you out? Dangerous viruses and bacteria spread even in isolated areas, Paul. And parasites are real pros at getting anywhere. Follow me.
Oh, okay.
This is our kitchen factory. To collect feces for tests,
I don't like
you have
him.
to feed the animal its favorite food. Here's where you'll prepare it. Choose the recipe from the list. Cut, mix, and you're done. Any questions?
No.
Yes.
Excellent. The zoo needs those who aren't afraid to ask. But even more so, it needs those who find answers themselves.
Okay,
right,
why did you even ask then? This guy sucks.
From the list.
Cook.
Don't make a mistake with the weight. The exact measurement is displayed on the weight in. Excellent, Paul.
Whoa!
Cut. Now do the same with the herbal brick from the recipe. Go ahead.
Wow, I did it!
Now,
I'm actually kind of good at that.
1 minute later.
1.5 of 3. Oh, I did bad. Oh, I did bad.
Our little creature. creatures. Take the
I don't
bucket
like
and
the
dump the food in the feeding area.
noises. I don't like the noises at all. I don't think that's what giraffes are supposed to
This
sound
one's name
like.
is Bo. Remember that. He's
I don't
got
like
quite
Bo.
the appetite.
I don't like it! Stop following me! God. Freaking animal. Go! Go away! Jeebus! Ah! Oh my god! I know I shouldn't be scared. It's too early. It's too early to be scared. I don't like them. I don't like them. Why are they following me still? Guys, please go away. Please go. Please leave me alone. I am scared. Where do I put this? Get in there. Get in there so these freaks leave me alone. I don't... Oh my god. Yes, they are bothering me. They are, Ashley. They are. They were following me around and I didn't like it. And I know they're supposed to be scary. I don't like it at all. They freak me out. Is this like animal racism? Is this animal racism? Bro is hungry? I don't care how hungry they are. They shouldn't have chased me. They were not cool animal friends. In fact, they were horrifying.
Don't forget to put the bucket back in its place.
Okay. Did I drop the bucket? Oh, I dropped the freaking bucket. Put it there.
Great.
What do I do
put
now?
on the MFE.
MFE.
Mobile fecal extractor. In simpler terms, a shit sucker.
I
You've
gotta
eaten
suck
shit
their
before.
poop?
Now you're going to suck it.
I don't know.
You're a freak.
Why do we need all this?
You're a freak,
We need to
guy.
constantly
You're a
monitor
freak.
the health.
Okay, here's some poop. Suck it up. Ew, I don't like looking at it. It looks gross. Okay, what now?
Great. Now put the shit sucker back in its place. We need to check something out. Now take the TIS. To avoid unnecessary
TIS?
questions, it's a thermal imaging system. You can just call it a thermal imager. It's needed to determine the body temperature of our animals.
Okay.
Good.
I'll take
Now
this.
install it and measure the temperature of the giraffes.
Okay, let's do it over here. Excuse me. Poe is pretty warm. Sick, but no fever. So does mucus on their fur mean that it has parasite or no parasite? Wow! Wow, I did it! I'm sorry. Rush. Yeah! I did it! But what about the one that actually has a fever? What do I do then?
So everything went smoothly?
Seems like it. I did this for the first time. Hopefully he'll get better soon.
Well,
Yeah.
don't count that. And don't forget to deposit the parasite in the biomaterial receiver.
I'm trying to deposit it. Oh, there it goes. Rush.
Put the
Okay.
UV flashlight and MFE back in the trolley.
My wife!
Every zookeeper is entitled to a service car. This one's mine. If you perform
Oh.
well tonight, you'll get one in the morning.
Wow, okay.
Is that your wife? Should I tell her you're staying here for the night? Keep in mind, I'll lock you in until morning.
Yes, please.
No problem. I think she'll figure it out and go home soon.
As you wish.
What the flick,
Good
my...
luck, Paul.
You know...
Don't mess up.
Okay, our character's a butt. Our character sucks. I would have warned my wife. If I had a wife, I would have told her. What the flick, man? What the flick, man? Wait, did we get raided or something earlier?
Paul, you entered here who knows how
Oh.
long ago. You're not answering calls. I'm worried.
Hi, wife.
Lily, sweetheart. Sorry. Didn't hear you right away.
Sorry.
Everything's okay. They put me on probation, but I had to start immediately. You should just go home. I'll be back in the morning and tell you everything.
Yeah.
Oh, but I saw them lock you up. It's not normal.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's just protocol here. They took away my phone and made me sign an NDA.
Yeah.
And all I have to do is feed and treat the animals.
Yeah.
And by the way, there's plenty of meat here. I want my girls to finally eat normal food. I'll be right back. Don't go away.
Don't give her company meat. That's not. I don't think that's a good idea. I'm not gonna do that. Do I have to do that? Am I supposed to? I'm sorry, wife, but I'm not giving you that. I'm so sorry. It's not happening. I refuse. I can go to the penguins! I can go to the pandas. Did you know pandas are my favorite animal, guys? You probably didn't. I need to like find symptoms, right? I won't put it back, Fangsie. There you go. Need to find symptoms. Didn't he say there are some in everyone? Am I crazy? Isn't that what he said? I feel like that's what he said. Here, let me put this back. You know what? You're purple, and I don't like that about you, so I'm gonna stab you real quick. Okay. Thanks for letting me stab you. Is that racism? Probably. Okay, I don't understand. None of them are sick. Do I need more poop? Collect a minimum number of oh, shoot. I didn't do that. But I don't understand. I don't understand at all. None of them seem sick. Oh, the blood collector. There's some blood. Should I just do this for every penguin until I figure it out? Poor baby. Rocky seems fine. I feel like they're all being normal penguins. I think you just need to grab samples for everyone. Oh, that's gonna take forever. Okay, let's start with Coco. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry! She like squeaked at me. I feel bad. What the flick? What is it? Is it flicking me right now? Oh my god, it's flying. Oh, it's flying. Okay. That's better than what I thought it was. Okay. I hate it! I'm gonna freaking quill myself. I'm going to quill myself. He's gonna kill the penguins! No, I keep shooting him! Don't kill my penguins! You better not! Don't kill my freaking penguins! go! Now we learned what not to do. Wow. Now we learned what not to do. So, now we know. Now we know. Hi, Mom. Oh, they're so cute. Look at their little butts. Oh, they're so cute. I'm gonna curl myself. They're so cute. This is gonna kill me. Oh, they're so cute. One of them is named Cookie. That's the cutest thing ever. What are they doing? They're so cute. They're so cute. It's like, oh my god. I need to die. They're so cute. Yes, I think sound-wise, they're all good. I think sound-wise, they're all good. So I'm gonna put that back. Let's check and make sure that I got that right. Yeah, sound-wise, they're all fine. Let's suck up some poop. Hopefully this one will be nicer to me. Hi, Evan. Hopefully this one will be nicer. No! No! No, I don't want to lethally inject anyone. No! No, I didn't want to do this! What did I do wrong? You just kill me, I want to start over. Just kill me. Kill me, I'm willing to die for you. I'm accepting my fate. I'm willing. Take me away. Kill me! I'm ready! No! No, don't you just leave me here! Don't walk away from me, coward! Kill me! Kill me! That's okay. It's okay. It's for a good cause. It's for a good cause. Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that. It was for a good cause. You have to cure them quick. So should I just go get the cure for poop? I just won't test for the other ones then. I'm just gonna get the poop core.
That's shitty.
Isn't that like... Is it muffin? Oh, I think that worked. panda? Ow. I don't like being puked on. Fella. It's not nice. Muffin, I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Man. She was the only one I wanted to save! Man! Darn it! Well, at least I have one more chance. You know, if my character doesn't die.
So much.
Okay. It's not a good sign. It's never really a good sign, but it's fine. It's okay. I'm not concerned if you're not concerned. It's fine. Oh, she's naked. Yep.
Hello? Damn. I mean, Night Zookeeper Paul Conway.
Don't worry, Paul, it's me again. How's it going? Do you need any explanations?
I'm sick.
Oh, I definitely do. I thought you had beef or, I don't know, lamb in the fridge. And
there's a long-necked pig. You see, Paul, dozens of parasites spread from the mother every day. They infiltrate our animals and they turn into, how shall I put it? Well, monsters. And they have specific tastes. They need meat.
What the hell is the mother?
Relax. The mother is securely locked away. Not much is known about her, so they study her. Forget about it. You know your tasks. Don't worry about the rest.
Damn. I should have been warned about this in advance. I didn't sign up for this.
I feel like he's not worried
Of course
about.
you did. You signed an NDA. I've seen what happens to those who violate NDA.
It's
I
true.
advise you not to. So if they say grind bodies, you grind. If they say kill, you kill. Got it?
Got
Yes,
it.
sir.
And if by chance you want to tell someone about these little secrets, that would be a direct violation of the NDA. And you'll have to face the consequences of your actions. Now stop whining and get back to work.
Yes, sir. Min! Min, look at Min! Hi! 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 Hi, Min! This is a naked woman. Please excuse the naked woman. Had to happen. Hi, Raiders! Hi, Raiders! Hi! Hello, 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 hello. My name is Fangsie Fido. I am a silly doggy girl detective. But right now, I'm a part-time zookeeper. Wow. Smart move, fellas. Oh, it's this guy. He looks younger there.
Damn. Most likely all the information is stored on external drives. Without them, this computer is just an empty shell. About her husband. I'm at a dead end.
Oh, is that her husband?
seems they cause mutations in humans as well as animals.
Yeah, that's kind of what's happening to me. So is there like a way I can cure myself, or what was I doing? Ostriches, yes, ostriches. Alright, so far so good. The ostrich station is purple. Cute. I think it's Go-Go. So we'll take his blood, and we'll go back.
I'm not alone.
Sorry, buddy. Yeah, I'm like pretty positive that it's Go-Go. Oh, I need to put this back first.
I'm not alone.
Oh, wait. I also took Go-Go's blood, so this is good. Sound. Ooh, blood. Okay. I was wrong, guys. I was wrong. I was very wrong. Was not Go-Go. Damn it. Well, it seems like a lot of animals are dying this time. Ew! Why can you do that? Ew! Damn, I'm a really bad sniper. Oh, it's running on the ceiling again. That's fun. I love when it does that. Oh boy, howdy! I love when it runs on ceiling.
Not alone.
Did that hit him? that could have been avoided if I just got the freaking animal right. Oh, now's my chance. Now's my chance. Now's my chance. Frick! Kill me again. Kill me again. If I stepped out just like a second faster. I was so close. Okay, glad I didn't react to that one. Oh, could I have saved it with the medicine then? Well. Well. All of the day's work. There you go. Wow! I did it! Well.
Had the pleasure of meeting your wife. Can you believe she reported to the police that her beloved husband disappeared in the zoo?
That's our
They
wife?
have friends everywhere. Now she will have to go into the grinder too. Well, lie down here for now. I'll prepare it. Wake up, Ball. Mother likes her food to flutter and squeak. Don't worry about your wife. I think she'll make a great dessert. Really, Ball, you didn't think that after everything you've seen, I'd let you go. Uh-oh, looks like Mommy is particularly hungry today.
No.
Goodbye, Ball. Tell Mother.
Oh, mother. Oh, mother. Paul didn't save the journalist. He didn't call Lily. Worried about her husband's fate, she went to the police station, but Doc had his people everywhere. Due to Paul's indifference, Lily died. Paul became food for the mother. Their young daughter, Gina, ended up in a troubled shelter in Pine Valley. No!